Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to my channel English Superstars. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today we are going to talk about articles a and an. We are going to learn what are articles and how to use them in a sentence. First of all, you need to understand vowels and consonants. Do you know there are 26 letters in an English alphabet? They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So how many are they? They are 26 letters in English alphabet. Now, 5 of them are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel letters. Alright? And rest of them are all consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J. The words till the end Z. They are all consonants. Now remember, when we say vowels, letters are A, E, I, O, U. But sounds are different. A, E, I, U, Oof. Right? So remember, when we talk about articles, A or an, we talk about these sounds. Let me explain it to you. If I say an egg, now egg starts with E, egg, right? But when I say one apple, one, V sound is there. Now although V sound is starting with W, but the letter starts with O. So here you will not use an because we are saying one, V, or you can say 1 coin. So for one, you won't use an. Let me clarify. A is used with a singular noun phrase starting with a consonant sound. Now, singular noun phrase means one thing. You're only talking about one noun over here. A computer. Now, k sound is a consonant sound. K, consonant. K, computer. See? Both of these are starting with a consonant noun. A lunchbox. L sound. Now this is not a vowel sound. Remember I told you vowels are A, E, I, O, U and vowel sounds are A, E, I, right? So here L or K sound, these are not consonant sounds. So what are you going to use? You're going to use A with it. It's very simple. A computer, a lunchbox. So when we use an, we use an with a singular noun phrase starting with a vowel sound. Now, what is a vowel sound? A, E, I, oof. Now here you can see an ostrich. Ostrich. Ostrich starts with O. O is a vowel sound and ostrich. Honest man. Now here it starts with H. I know. H is a consonant letter, right? It's not vowel like a, E, I, O, U. It's not at all a vowel, I know. But look at the sound. Honest. O sound is being produced. So you say an honest man. An honest. O sound is being produced. So remember, we don't see the letters. We see these sounds. Let me tell you some interesting facts. See, apricot, apricot, A, elephant, igloo, onion, urn. Now, what are the important facts? Let me tell you that as well. When we talk about a letter U, we say uncle. O sound is being produced. Uncle, umbrella. But here uniform, Y sound is being produced. So, Y is not a vowel sound. uniform or unicorn. These are not vowel sounds. These are consonant sounds. Now see another example. Unity, unity. That is also not a vowel sound. It is a consonant sound. Now let's see O. Octopus, orange. Yes, these are vowel sounds. O is a vowel sound. Object, right? Once. Once. It starts with a sound of W. Once. One. So what are these? These are consonant sounds. So these are not vowel sounds. Look at this H. This is a consonant letter, but sometimes a consonant letter can produce a vowel sound. And same is the case with a vowel letter, it can produce a consonant sound. See the example here. This is H. H is a consonant letter, but it can produce the words like hour. Look at the sound of H. Hour. Nest. Hour. House. Hills. These are consonants. Yes, that's fine. But here, hour, honest. These are vowel sounds. So, let's see an activity and I am going to judge whether you understand it or not. Now look at the first one. Hot and orange. So tell me, hot, starting with H sound. Hot. Is it a consonant sound? It's not. So what will you use? A or an? Remember, an is used with the vowel sound and a is used with the consonant sound. Now tell me, H is a consonant sound or a vowel sound? Consonant sounds, you will say are hot. What about orange? O sound. Orange. An orange. Lovely. Now see, an ant. Hour. Now here, hour. It's not H sound. Okay, hour. So, an hour. 1 rupee coin. V sound is being produced. So, a 1 rupee coin. Unicorn. J sound. And star. S. So tell me, sound is a vowel sound or a consonant sound? Both of them are consonants. So we use a with the consonants and an with the vowel sounds, not the letters. Let's see another example. Complete each sentence by choosing the correct article. You can do it. The student is drawing dash octopus. A octopus or an octopus? You tell me. Or sound is being produced. An octopus. Good job. There is dash elephant in the zoo. A elephant or an elephant? An elephant in the zoo. Because it's a vowel sound. Now here, dash umbrella is dash useful thing. Umbrella. Now tell me, what will you say? An umbrella. What about useful? J sound. A useful thing because it's a consonant. My mother is dash good cook. Now tell me, girl sound is there, good. So, a good cook. See how simple and easy it was. So, we use a with all the words that start with a consonant sound. And we use an with all the words that start with a vowel sound. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you. Have a very nice day.